All right, guys, we're gonna flock this Christmas tree. Like I said, when I got this pink tree, it was super bright pink, and I was looking for a more pastel pink, so I figured if I flock it, it'll give it a nice lighter look. So we are going to try this. This is the first time I've ever done it. I ordered this flocking from Amazon, and it just says snow flock. I can link it in the description. We'll see if it works out. And then you just use a spray bottle with water and kind of like sprinkle it over the tree. You should probably do this outside, but I don't feel like going through all that trouble. I would rather clean up the big mess, I guess. I got this plastic sheeting that I'm going to put down, so hopefully it's not too messy. I always do things the messy and hard way. Okay. It's probably been easier to take it outside than to even open this thing. Should probably move my curtains. First, I'm going to spray a portion of the branches with water. I'm also going to put this N95 mask on so I don't breathe in any of that powder. Now we make the mess. I'm going to regret this. Alright guys, as you can see, I ditched the strainer. I just didn't have the patience for it, and I just started sprinkling it on because I wanted it to look pretty thick. So I just sprinkled it on from the bag, and this is how it turned out. So cute. I wanted to take a minute and share my beautiful bouquet of roses from Rose Forever. Thanksgiving is almost here, and they are having an incredible sale of up to 60% off site-wide just in time for Black Friday. I love my Rose Forever bouquets. They are real roses and they stay fresh for at least 1 year. They are just so gorgeous, and I love incorporating them into the holidays. They make beautiful centerpieces, and they can add a touch of elegance to your holiday decorating. So don't miss out on these amazing discounts and add a touch of elegance to your holiday celebrations. I will leave their shop link in the description box, and they gave me a discount code of $30 off your purchase. Just use the code HELTON30 at checkout. I am so excited to be decorating this pink tree this year. I had so much fun with this tree. Last year and the previous years, I had a white tree in the bedroom, and it had like a pinkish theme. But this year it has warped into this pink nutcracker candy wonderland, and I am so in love with it. It all started when I saw this gorgeous candy nutcracker online, probably last year. I just kept talking about it and telling my husband how amazing it was and how I wish I had one, and I looked them up online and they were $2,000. There was no way I was ever gonna buy one, and I was just hoping that HomeGoods would have one. And I saw a video where someone was shopping at HomeGoods this year, and there it was. So I knew I had to get one. I was on the hunt, and when I least suspected it, I found one in the back of a HomeGoods store. We literally set out on an adventure to go hunting for one, and I just thought, I'm probably not gonna find one, but we drove 2 hours to another HomeGoods, and we looked at all their stuff, and they didn't have one. They did have a lot of great stuff. Walked to the back of the store, and there he was. I saw him. I think I ran to him and like hugged him. He did have a clearance tag on him. There was a worker standing right there, and I was like, oh my gosh, what's wrong with him? And she told me that the top of his staff was broken off, and we just added this cute little cupcake from Hobby Lobby, and it turned out so perfect, and it really just made my whole Christmas season getting this pink nutcracker that I've always wanted. Now you will soon notice there is actually more than just the big nutcracker. I did find two while hunting for one before I found him, and then after I found him, I found another one, and I just couldn't leave him there. He was just too cute. There's always room for one more, right? The ribbon and poinsettias that I got from Etsy last year worked beautifully with the new tree theme, and I ordered these adorable ice cream cones from Amazon. I was kind of regretting putting the pink LED lights on the tree, and I was wanting like a pop of brightness, so I got 3 of these cute ice cream cones, and I think they are so adorable. So I got the big picks from Hobby Lobby, as you can see, sticking out of the tree. I think they made the tree. I got those new this year, along with the ice creams and the big lollipops on top. But all the other tree decor, like the candy ornaments, I had. As for the skirt, I used an table runner that I had. It was just a fur table runner. You don't really see the skirt, so I just kind of wrapped the base with it. I put these cute light up presents. I actually got those at the Dollar General, guys. They were like $10 for a set of 3, and they are so pretty. And now I'm just going to put my beautiful nutcrackers and create my Pinkmas Christmas candy wonderland, and I am so excited to share this with you. And I didn't stop at just the tree. I had to decorate my mantle. I got it all cleaned off and put some pretty garland up there. I found the cutest pink houses at HomeGoods this year. Actually, I found the small one first, and they had 2, and I was like, oh, okay, so you don't have to buy 2 of everything, so I just got 1. And then I found the big one, and I was like, oh man, it would be perfect if I had a big one in the middle and a small one on each side. So that kind of drives me crazy. I like things to be symmetrical, but I didn't end up finding another small one, so I had a Merry Pinkmas sign that I had gotten previously from Etsy, I do believe. So I put that up there, as well as my super adorable macaron topiaries. They were the perfect score to match my candy wonderland. And I put my canopy back up over my bed because I think it looks so amazing at Christmas time, especially with that pink wreath hanging there, along with some lighted garland. And I put those adorable presents and my Rose Forever bouquet on my bed, and it turned out so amazing, you guys. I am so in love. Just check it out. that is it for today's video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have so much more Christmas content coming your way, and don't forget to check out Rose Forever in the description box. They have such an amazing sale going on. You don't want to miss it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!